ready to blast off into a world of educational fun with Blooket. Let's get your first game rolling in no time. First things first, head over to Blooket.com and log in or sign up. Once you're in, you'll see a vibrant dashboard. Click on Create to kickstart your game. Now it's time to pick your weapons, your questions. You can choose from a vast library of pre-made sets, or if you're feeling creative, click Create a new question set to craft your very own. For now, let's select an existing one, browse or search for a topic that fits your lesson. And once you find the perfect set, hit Select. With your questions loaded, it's time for the main event, choosing your game mode. Blooket offers a fantastic variety, from the classic Gold Quest to the strategic tower defense, and many more. Each mode offers a unique way to engage your students. Hover over each icon to see a quick description, and click on the one that sparks your interest. After selecting your game mode, you'll be presented with some game settings. Here you can customize things like the game duration or starting health for certain modes. Adjust these to suit your class and teaching style. Once you're happy, simply click Start Game. And just like that, your game is ready to go. You'll see a unique game code and a direct join link. Share this with your students. They simply need to go to Blooket.com/play, enter the game code, or click the link you provided to jump right in and start playing. As your students join, you'll see their avatars appear in the lobby. You can even choose a variety of Blooket characters for them to play as. Once everyone is in and ready to learn, you can hit the Start button on your screen, and the educational adventure will officially begin. That's all there is to it. You've successfully launched your Blooket game and are ready to engage your students like never before. Happy gaming!